Hi, this is Shankar from Tenet Tech. We are happy to introduce a new product from our product range, Hummingbird. Hummingbird is a platform where we can interact with the microcontroller using GUI without programming. So people with less programming skill can work on this platform interfacing number of sensors. And it is also made much more easier with visual programming environment. Hummingbird provides a great opportunity to introduce kids to robotics. Now let us have a look into the hardware provided with this kit and have a demo. This is the Hummingbird kit. Apart from Hummingbird board, we get many hardware components like we get sensors, light sensor, sound sensor, temperature sensor, knob, distance sensor, that is IR sensors. These are the sensors. We get one more box which consists of LEDs like normal LEDs, tricolor LEDs, vibration motors. These are the LEDs. We get one more box which consists of motors like DC motor, servo motors. I have 4 servo motors, 2 DC motors. We also get a USB cable which is used to connect the Hummingbird for controlling visual programming environment. We get a power adapter. If you are connecting board with the DC motor, servo motor, you need to access the external power supply. So here the power adapter and some connective cables. These are the hardware components which are available with the Hummingbird kit. Here in Hummingbird, the hardware connections are made much more easier as they specify the peripherals with the particular hardware name. As you can see here, we can connect 4 different sensors, 2 DC motors, 4 servo motors, 4 LEDs, that is normal LEDs, and 2 RGB LEDs. These 2 are for connecting vibrators. Similarly, I have connected the RGB LED. This is the GUI for Hummingbird, which is known as Visual Programming Environment. Here you can access every peripherals by accessing the nodes like this. So I will be accessing one of the LED by accessing the node. You will get a display in this way. You will get a slide pointer. Sliding that pointer, you can see the LED intensity is glowing higher. Similarly, I have interfaced one more RGB LED where by sliding the pointer, the intensity goes to red, green and blue. Similar way you can interface every hardware and access the node of the Hummingbird through this GUI. For demo, I will be interfacing IR sensor with the Hummingbird. Here I have to create 2 expressions. One of it consists where when there is an obstacle, the RGB LED goes green and the servo motor takes 180 degree shift, and the other expression where when there is no obstacle, the RGB LED goes red and takes 0 degree shift. So creating the expressions, the RGB goes green and the servo motor takes 180 degree shift. I will say this expression. And for the second expression, the RGB goes red and the servo motor takes 0 degree shift, and I will say this expression also. So now we have 2 expressions. As we have 2 expressions right now, we have to build a sequence. So as we are using a sensor, we go with the sensor icon, we will drag it and drop it here. So we get a sequence builder. Here we will select distance sensor, that is the IR sensor, and which port is connected, so port 1. So now we will drag and drop the expressions here in the sequence builder. So in the sequence builder, so this is the intermediate mark. When the range crosses this, the RGB LED goes green and the servo motor takes 180 degree shift, and below this range the RGB LED goes red and servo motor will take 0 degree shift. So I'll make it in a loop and I'll play the sequence. This way the IR sensor detects and we build a sequence. Here for demo I have used IR sensor. Here when there is an obstacle detected, the servo motor takes a turn and the RGB goes green. And when there is no obstacle, the servo motor takes one more turn and the RGB goes red. As you can see here, I have interfaced all the possible peripherals like DC motor, potentiometer, servo motor, IR sensor, some LEDs, LDR sensor and some more. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy this product or if you want more information about this product, please visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.